In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the blower motor speed control switch on this Ford F-250. Let's get started. We have to remove this entire panel here in order to be able to access this switch from the back side. It comes out through the back, so we'll start at the bottom. Have to pop off these little panels here. You can use a plastic trim tool and pop these off. Try not to break them. They are pretty stuck on here usually. Sometimes the plastic trim tool won't really do the job, so you'll have to upgrade to a stronger tool. However, make sure that if you use the metal screwdriver, it doesn't actually damage anything. Do the same on the other side. This side though, we'll have to unplug the electrical connector here. Press on that tab and pull it off, set that aside. There is a 7mm bolt here. There should be one on the other side as well. Mine's missing, I only have this one, so let's unbolt this. Do the same on the other side. Now stick your hands in here and pull away on this entire trim piece. It should pop out, and if you put your hand up here, you'll be able to remove it from the top. Try not to break it. There we go. Slide it away. Don't go too far with it. Not that you can, but there's a lot of electrical connectors attached to the back of it. And here is our switch that we're after. So grab onto the wiring harness, disconnect it. There we go. And the switch itself, you'll have a couple different tabs. I'll show you on this new one. You'll see that they kind of form a triangle. You have to squeeze them in and pull the whole switch out. So the way it sits is like this right now. This is that, and then the other two are on the bottom. This one's going to be a little difficult to do just because pressing 3 areas in at once and pulling out is not usually the easiest thing to do. Once you get 2 popped out, you can usually work at the 3rd one, and there it is. Take the new switch and line it up, press it into position, and at this point you should be able to bring this closer and plug it in. Careful not to break anything here. Line the connector up and press it on. Push this panel back up. Make sure any wires that were here poke through. Press it into position. All right. At the top, there's no hardware. It kind of just clips into place. And at the bottom, we have the 2 screws on the side. But while we're here, might as well put this back on since it popped off. Yours shouldn't. Mine is a little broken. I only had 1 screw. This one's missing, so I'm only going to put in this one over here. That's all I had. Of course, you are supposed to put in both. And then the 12-volt plug here. Clip that in, re-secure the panel. We'll do the same on the other side over here. This was not connected for me, and there was nothing in here, so whatever you had, if you unplugged it, plug it back in. Put that back into place, and there you have it. You can test out your blower motor, make sure it works on all the speeds now. You should be good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.